Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Hyundai Elantra radio. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Next, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool to prevent scratches and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the trim panels around the radio. These are usually held by clips, so work slowly and evenly to avoid damage. This initial step exposes the mounting screws. Once the initial trim is off, you'll typically find several Phillips head screws holding the larger dash bezel in place. There are often 4 to 6 screws in total. Carefully remove these, paying attention to any hidden ones, sometimes near the instrument cluster or air vents. After all screws are out, gently pull the entire bezel away from the dashboard. It's usually held by clips, so a steady, even pull works best. This action fully exposes the radio unit. With the radio fully exposed, you'll see 4 Phillips head screws directly holding the radio chassis in place. Remove these 4 screws carefully. Once they are out, gently slide the radio unit forward and out of the dashboard opening. Be mindful of the wiring behind it. Reach behind the unit to disconnect all electrical harnesses by pressing their release tabs, and then detach the antenna cable. The radio is now completely free. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, connect all electrical harnesses and the antenna to your new radio unit. Carefully slide the radio back into its designated slot and secure it with the 4 Phillips head screws. Next, reattach the main dash bezel and all surrounding trim panels, ensuring every clip is firmly seated. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the new radio to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.